Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another stream. In this stream, we're going to see gold, BTC, US US oil, and we will analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty also. And if there is any particular stocks, if you want me to analyze, let me know in the comment section or let me know in the chat box. I will analyze the same. And I have not done stream for last 2 days because of some personal work. We'll continue streaming as much as possible daily. Okay, let's start the stream. I don't know why my voice is not clear in this audio. Hello, hello. Too much disturbing. I think. Hello. Hello. I hope my voice is clear right now. Hello. I hope my voice is clear right now. Okay, right now my voice is clear, I guess. I don't know why my mic is making so much issues. Okay, let it be. So we are going to see now gold. Okay, if you look at 4-hour chart in gold, currently the gold is trading around 3327, and in 4-hour chart, if you observe, this is our order block in 4-hour chart. Okay, there is a least probability that the gold will break this zone, because this is the order block from where the big buying has been seen, and even though the breakout of this trend line we have seen. Okay, so on that case we can expect a quick reversal from this zone, even though after multiple times this support has been taken at this zone. Okay, and moreover there is nothing to analyze in 4-hour chart. Let's go to 1 hour. Right, so in a 1-hour chart, if you look at this, the same candle you can expect as a order block, and you can see here, if you take this 1-hour chart, this would be your order block. Okay, or this would be your order block. See, 1, 2, and this would be third time. By tapping this zone, the market will go upside. Okay, if you have entered here somewhere also, your SL must be this zone's low. Okay, you cannot expect to that market will go suddenly from this level. Okay, it may take some retracements, some sideways zone, but your SL must be below this zone. Whenever market starts to moving below this, then you have to exit. Okay, because this is completely an order block zone. And in 15-minute chart also, if you see that this is our order block. Okay, so most probably from this zone the gold must move upside. Okay, and if you look at 5-minute chart, yes, so you have to, this is the advantage of analyzing top to bottom. Okay, so if you go to 5-minute chart, what you are seeing, you're seeing this order block, right? Okay, from this high to this low. Okay, and whenever market come and touches to this level, you can enter, and your SL must be below this zones low, that is order blocks low, and your minimum target must be 1:3. So if you look at BTC, now currently BTC is trading around 118.5. So this is a completely consolidation zone. Here we cannot expect any moment till this consolidation phase completes. Then we can plan to trade on buying side only because of this big momentum in BTC. So this might be some of the retracements, and now we cannot expect the market to move in any directional movement because of so much buying already done. Now gold is at cost to cost, but there must be a buying in this zone. Let's wait until this target reaches. Okay, if the market reverses, we can exit below this level because this is our order block, and if gold reaches to 3319, we can expect a fall in the gold. Okay, but if your entry is right now here, you should wait until this first target to reach half of the target, that is 3334. Once the gold reaches to 3334, we can trail our sell to cost. Even though market is at lower lows, we are taking a long side trade because of the order block. XRP. Okay, if you look at this US tech, now US tech is reversing from 0.56 level, so we can expect a small target and small SL, because there is a multiple reasons to take a long trade here. Okay, in we can take a trade on US tech, because if you look at this buying from 0.6 level, we are seeing the reversal, and our risk to reward is 1:3. And in trading view, as you can see here, you can do paper trading, brokerage simulator by trading view. Okay, they have given option of what do you say, that paper trading. Okay, let me show you how this is done. I have to connect the paper trading to the what do you say, that trading view. Okay, you have to take by positions. So as you can see here, for this practice purpose, you can go for paper trading, and you can understand how this paper trading works. Okay, just go to the paper trading on the downside of this trading view, and here you can directly take, they will be giving you around $100,000 as a demo account, and you can buy, sell, you can trade anything. Okay, if you click on this trade or place an order, this dialog box will be open, and here for one lot they are taking, okay, they are taking a margin of 45 rupees. Okay, and if you see here, the margin will be higher for more lots. If I want to take 20 minutes, the margin will be at how much, 916. The leverage is 1:500. Okay, yeah, as you can see here, the leverage they are providing is 500. Okay, once this candle closes here, you can give a resell. When the candle closes here, will exit from this position. Okay, and we can trade here also in BTC. For 1 unit, margin is used 6. Okay, gold. Okay, we'll take some 100. Okay, buy. Okay, this is 100 quantity. Our SL would be at this level, and in US tech, as you can see, still the candle has not closed. Okay, once the candle closes here, we'll exit. Okay, and in gold we have taken, I think, big quantity. So if we click on SL, you can take SL here. According to this trade, your SL would be $600. Okay, to take this $600, your capital must, this $600 must be your 1% of the capital. Okay, so if you don't want to take this much big SL, reduce the quantity. We'll close and we'll buy with some small quantity. Okay, now we're going to take a trade. We'll take how much? 10 units. Okay, and once this US tech comes to our previous candle low, we're going to exit into this trade. If you look at the gold, gold is trading around at our buying price. And we can fix our TP. So our TP is around $150, and if you take our SL, it would be $50. So this completes our 1:3 RR. Let us see whether the TP hits RSL. Okay, now in US tech, as you can see, the price has again came back to our cost. Let the price breaks this previous candle, then we can expect a good move in US tech. In gold, there is no momentum, it is trading around the buying price only. So let the gold make some good move upside. And if you look at US 30, there is no proper setup in US 30. And in 5-minute chart, we can see the range bound has been broken. In BTC, we can move, we can expect a good move upside only when it touches to this zone. Okay. This must be our order block. And if you look at smaller time frame, you'll get an idea that how this order block works. Okay. Let me check in 5 minutes. Okay, if you can see here in 5-minute chart also, we are seeing a reversal from this zone. Hello. क्या करें नवीन?
चाहे वह पी लिए। So if you see gold and BTC both are moving in one direction, this is not a right thing because these two cannot move in the same direction. Either gold has to move upside, either BTC has to move upside. And okay, these two cannot be moved the same direction at a time. Okay, gold started moving in our direction from the buying price. And let us check our US tech. US tech is looking bearish, but it has to take reversal from this zone because there are two conditions, that is resistance turns into support and another is fib 5.5 0.6 level retracement. So there are two conditions here so that we can expect a good move on upside, but now it is grabbing the liquidity over here. So gold started moving in our direction. Let us see the candle closes. If the green candle closes, if the candle closes in green, we can expect the reversal from this level. Okay, now as you can see, the gold started moving in our direction. The candle is almost closing in the green. We have still how many minutes? Okay, still 2 minutes. And if the candle closes green after 2 minutes, we can expect a buying momentum in the gold. Okay, now you can see here the candle has closed below this. We can close this position of hashtag. Let us see in the gold whether our TPA hits or the sell. So we are not going to exit this trade until our SL or a target hit. Okay, we should wait. Either our SL need to hit, either our target need to hit. Okay, we should not exit in between. Even the market might move in any direction, we should wait until our TP or SL. We should analyze, we should do whatever before taking a trade. Once you take the trade, you should follow the rules which you have made. You should follow whatever the TP and SL you have decided. Okay, so as per this trade, at 3325 we have taken a trade on long side, and our SL was around 3320 with $50, as you can see here, and our TP is around $150 here. So we should wait either the market to hit this $50 minus or to hit 150 at the top. So here our history, what as you can see here, which is how much? No, our entry is here, right? Okay, our RR is exactly 1:3. Okay, our RR is 1:3. So let the market decide. It will take our TP or SL. Okay, we should not exit in between. So market is taking support from this level. Okay, so here also we can take a small risk. Now we'll trade here with 2 quantities, 5 quantities. Okay, so SL must be at okay. In US tech, as you can see, we have taken a trade on long side with 1:3 RR, where our SL is at 22902, which is the low of 0.6 level, and according to that 1:3 our target, that is $150. Let us see whether our target hits our SL. So in US tech, you can see the market started moving in our direction. So currently So in US Tech, as you can see, we are at 22909. So once our 50% target reaches, we can trail our sell to cost. So once we reach 22928, we can trail our sell to cost so that we are not going to lose anything. So now we are going to trail our sell to cost. So now we have trailed our SL to cost so that we are not going to book any losses in this trade. So if you look at this gold trade, we have trailed our SL to cost, and once it crosses our first target, that is above 22,928, we can trail our SL to our first target. Okay, but a candle must close above the previous candle, then only we will trail our SL from cost to the first target. So we have reduced our risk here by trailing our SL to cost. Okay. So as you can see, now we can trail our SL to double to 924, so that if the market reverse also, or at least one target we will take home. Okay. So initially our trade executed here. Our SL was, let me show. Okay, this is where we entered into this trade, and our SL was below this candle. Okay, we had risked around $50 somewhere here, and our target 1 is to 3, it is $150. Okay, now once our 50% of the target achieved, okay, let me show once again. Okay, whenever your 50% of the target achieves, you can mark here. Okay, when 50% of the target reaches, just you need to trail your SL from your stop loss to your buying price. Okay, so that if market suddenly reverse from this target level also, then you will not facing any losses. You will be at cost to cost. And let us see, in gold trade, market is trading around our cost price only. Okay. So now we have to wait in gold. We have to wait in gold, but in USTech we are seeing our TP. The market is near our TP. But one thing is for sure, that we should not exit in between. We should take either SL or either trailing SL or complete target. There is no momentum in US 30 also, and in US oil also. I think US oil is stopped right now. Okay, the gold started moving in our direction. Okay, US tech trade looking good. अभी नहीं देखो, लाइव के बाद पीना। अच्छा, अभी आप स्टार्ट में है क्या तुम्हारा भी लाइव? Okay, see how the US tech has been reversed from this level. Okay, so if you have not our trailed or SL, then it would be we would be giving our SL, right? It is creating lower lows. Lower lows in the sense which assets, sir? Gold. Yeah, gold is creating lower lows, but if you look at 15 minutes chart, there is an order block in 5 minutes as well. Okay, in 15 minutes also, in 5 minutes also. Okay, see, look at this buying. Gold is trapping. Okay, see, this buying cannot be come from an retailer. Okay, this buying must be from a big player like Wells, FIDIs. Okay, so this buying, and if you look at this order block, okay, here is a order block. If you mark this order block, okay, this blue zone, complete blue zone and order block. So we can see anytime a big buying. So we can risk here 1:3. Even though it is creating lower lows, but this is an order block zone. So whenever you find an order blocks, you can risk for small quantity and expect for a big targets. Okay, still our sell not hit in gold, and if you look at US Tech, almost 75% of our target was done, but market reversed from this level. Even though we have trailed our SL to cost, but still SL was not triggered because of this small reversal from this level. Okay, so let us see whether we will exit with cost to cost or we will take complete target. Okay. So you can see here in US Tech, our cost to cost exit done. Okay, we exited with cost to cost, even though we had seen around $90 in this trade, but market reversed from how much? 22,930. Okay. See, we trailed ourselves from this 22,900 cost. Okay, let it be our trailing SL. No issues. Let us wait for our gold trade. So this is only the process you need to follow. Punch a trade, keep an SL, keep a target. If the SL is hitting, let it go. If market is moving in your direction, keep on trailing. That's it. Nothing more analysis when you punch the trade. Okay, once you're done, you are done. You should follow the process. Only keep SL, keep TP, trail SL. That's it. And there is nothing to be panic or there's nothing to be interrupt the trade in between. Okay, whether market goes on any side, your SL is already fixed before the buying or selling the trade. So once you punch the trade, exit with TP or SL. There is no in between. There is no need to exit in between. However, the candle must be. Okay. So that's how you can trade on any assets. See, even though market showed a law near to my SL almost around $35, okay, but still I hold in my trade because my SL was at $50. Why should I exit at 30? Because this SL was fixed at my mind, or whatever the analysis I did, I should stick to my rules, or I should stick to my SL or TP. Okay, no in between. When the market moves half of my target, then I will trial myself to cost as I did in UST. Okay, if you look at this is my target and this is my 50% of the target. That is double three double three. When the market reaches to this double three, then I will trial myself to buying price. If the market reverses after hitting my 50% of the target, and if it reverses from that, then I'm not going to give my SL. I will exit at cost, because when you look at your 50% of the target, then how can you give your SL? You should trial your SL to cost. Okay, that is what the procedure I follow. Okay, let us wait. Let the market moves, or let the gold move upside. So market has to break the trend line in 5-minute chart. Okay, then only we can expect a buying in gold. Okay. So if you know about this coin called XRP, crypto XRP. So this coin was crazy. I looked at this coin in the month of October, which was I think around 40 rupees in INR. Indian 40 rupees 40 at I think November, October, somewhere here. Okay, right here. So I thought of buying this token when there was a breakout in triangle symmetry. Hello. आई क्या तो just a minute. Okay, I was telling about XRP, right? So here you can see here XRP one day chart. Okay, this is XRP token. This is an crypto coin. Okay. Here it's not showing the price properly. If I check for INR, it's showing in trillion. I don't know why it's not showing in rupees. Okay, let it be. I will explain. Okay, I observed this token in October 2024 last year. When this symmetrical triangle was breakout, I thought to buying this on this November, I think November 10, 11. But I was misguided by an influencer who told that XRP will not perform well, or XRP was a what do we say that, a fake pump and dump. Okay, that is why I stopped to invest in this coin. Okay, now if you look at XRP's INR price from 40 rupees, it has reached to 260, I guess 260 INR, 40 rupees to 260 INR, which means almost 6x. XRP has moved 6x in just how many months? 9 months or 10 months, which was an crazy returns. 600% returns in 10 months. Even though I did analysis, but I was misguided by an influencer. Okay. So if you do your analysis, if you feel that your analysis is good and it can work out, definitely you should not influence by any others. Okay. Actually, I was expected a target of this previous high. Okay, but even though it has crossed that previous high above that, and still this is moving like rocket. 6x returns. It wasn't crazy. If you look at BTC, it is trading around 117. So here we can expect a little sideways. Okay, because already the buying movement has been done, and this is profit booking. So again, this buying because of this previous buying and then selling. Okay, now this will be sideways market for some time. Okay, in BTC, then we can expect again one more good move till this 130 above or above. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the stream. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like the stream. You can share with your friends who want to learn this crypto, forex, or Indian market. Okay, that's it for today. We are going to ending the session. Thank you so much for watching.